Now imagine another situation. If the products you send do not sell quickly, your inventory may remain inside the Amazon FBA fulfillment center for a long period of time. This means the money you invested in purchasing and shipping those products becomes tied up in unsold inventory. On top of that, Amazon charges storage fees for inventory kept inside their warehouses. There are monthly storage fees, and if inventory stays too long, long-term storage fees can also apply. Over time, these fees begin to accumulate. When that happens, they slowly reduce your profit margin. This is something many beginners do not realize until it is too late. Another challenge appears if you do not have any connection or address in the country where the FBA warehouse is located. Technically, Amazon does allow sellers to create what are called removal orders. Through a removal order, you can ask Amazon to return your inventory to a specified address or dispose of the products. However, for sellers operating from countries like Nepal, this can still be difficult in practice. If you do not have a return address in the same country as the FBA warehouse, retrieving your inventory can become complicated and expensive. So, while removal orders do exist, bringing products back internationally is often not practical. For these reasons, it is very important to approach Amazon FBA carefully, especially as a beginner.